Right, yeah, in this class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add background image to your Canva design. All right, how to add background image to your Canva. You want to add background to your picture. You can use prompt to do that. So first of all, I have to go to my gallery. I'll go over to my gallery so I can import my picture. So just wait for it to load up. So I'm just going to pick this particular picture. I'm going to click on add to page. Alright, so here I'm going to drag it to make the picture look bold. Alright, now you can see there's background in this picture. If you check very well, there's kind of pink background. So now I don't like this background. Now I'm going to use Canva. Alright, I'm going to use the prompt feature to remove the background image, to remove this background, and I'm going to add background according to the way I want. So I'll be using prompt to do that. So I'll come over to image tools, click on image tools. All right, so I'll come over to, you see this background generator. So I'm going to use this background generator. Click on it. So here you can see that it's almost like an AI. It said describe the scene, mood, and lighting you are imagining. So you can see here, if you are going to put your prompt here, now any prompt you put here is what you're going to generate. So let me put a simple prompt that is should generate a beautiful let me say blue designed background. Alright, so I'm just using this simple prompt, alright, for the class purpose. So you can actually throw more light on it, how you want the background to be. You can see you can determine the lightning of the background, how the background would be, if you need more effects, if you need to mix colors together. So this is like a Canva AI. Alright, now this Canva it has some AI features. Okay, now I'm going to hit on generate in order for me to generate what I've said now. So I'm going to hit on generate, click on generate, and then as you can see, what Canva is going to do is going to remove the background, which is the pink background. You're going to remove and clear it off. Then it's going to use the prompt I just gave to it to create another background. Alright, you can see. So now you have different type. I can just pick any one that I prefer. I think I prefer this other one. You can see this is my prompt. Now it says generate again. Now I can come here and edit my prompt. I can re-edit my prompt and click on send, and I can also come here and regenerate again in case I don't like what was created for me. For this class purpose, we are okay with this. So you see, so Canva has made life very easy for you. Now you put your image here, you don't even need to edit the image. You're with your prompt, you automatically remove the background of your image and you add the exact background that you want. This is almost like a portrait. Okay, so this is how you can edit image using your Canva without typing. Just all you need to do is to type on your keyboard, or I give it a prompt and it's going to edit it by itself. Now Canva is changing the way graphic design work. Now Canva is almost like an AI app. All right, so this is how to do this. So I'll see you in my next class.